Today I have my monthly Nailtopia polish to review, and this month for June they sent me the Firecracker kit, which is completely awesome for the 4th of July. You get 3 different color polishes to create some cool 4th of July looks. This kit is available at Ulta and sells for $19.99, which is completely awesome because each one of these polishes sells for $10 a piece, so you can get all 3 of them for the price of 2. Today I'm going to make some simple nail art using this. You can get everything at Ulta. Just pick up the Firecracker kit and a package of cosmetic wedges. If you don't know about Nailtopia polish, they are a plant-based polish. I actually love them. Their formulas are amazing. So let's get into the video and I'll show you. The polishes that come with the kit are this beautiful blue polish, and it's called Ride the Wave. This beautiful red polish, which is called Engine Number 5. And this nice white polish that is called So Fresh, So Clean. The first polish I'm applying right here is Engine Number 9. Most of their creams are one coaters. This is practically there in one coat, but I will put 2 on. This one is So Fresh, So Clean. This one is going to need 2 coats, but it's white. That's kind of what you expect. Then we have Ride the Wave. This one seems a little sheer on the first coat, but I think it's got a shimmer in there, so that's also understandable for shimmers as well. I am ready for round 2. This spread is gorgeous. Put it in my favorite reds pile. And here's the second coat of the blue. This looks super great, just as a mani like this, but we're going to do some simple nail art. I like to cut my sponges down. I don't need a sponge this wide. My fingers are pretty narrow, so I just normally cut them in half. I'm just going to randomly put some splotches of the polish on. Oops. And I'm just going to sponge it on the white nails. Alright, so I actually forgot to put liquid latex on, so I cleaned up around the edges and I put that on, just easier for cleanup. And I use a body latex that I get on Amazon, and then I put it in a little empty polish bottle. Okay, so I loaded up the sponge again and just tapping it on. You want to do this The more you load up the sponge, the darker the colors will get. So you want to do this maybe 3 times. I usually do 3 coats. And you want to just, you don't want to tap it too much or you'll start pulling the polish off. So you just want to tap it a little bit and then wait for it to dry and then do your second coat. These dry pretty quick. Now if you want to do just like a little touch up, like I really want some of this white to show up. So I'm just putting a little bit on the sponge, just the one color, and actually you can do this with the whole thing if you want it. And I'm just tapping it where I want. And then, let's see, I just want some of the spots a little bit more brighter blue. So I'm just putting a dot of blue on there, and then I'll just tap that in where I want it. And I'll do the same thing with the red. Then when I'm done getting it as I like it, I'm going to peel it off with tweezers. And then there's just less cleanup. So I'm going to clean up around the edge and I'll come back. Now I'm going to add the Ultimate Wear, the Nailtopia Ultimate Wear top coat, which I love. I got, well, because it was my fault, I got 12 days of no shipping, but my other hand got 14 days of no shipping. Just don't go around peeling things with your nails. If you want to know more about the top coat, then I will put a link to that video in the description here. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you get, for your first coat, you want to get a really good amount on your brush because it will drag the polish a little bit. You might be able to see it a little bit here. If that happens, just wipe it off before you put it back in the bottle. And I recommend 2 coats of this for the longest wear possible. Another thing to remember when using that top coat is to make sure that the nail polish is dry before putting the top coat on. Well, this is my finished manicure. I love how it came out. I hope you do too. This kit is super fun, and I'm really glad that this is the kit they sent me for this month. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.